She's like, a little bit more. And then I was like, okay, a little bit more. I'm like, a little more. I'll fucking kill you. It's hot! What the fuck? Feel it! It is hot. Damn it, Kimberly! You know what? Alice gives up and Alice is gonna have fucking blue and pink hair now. Alright.
No.
You're not a rabbit anymore! Don't you dare. No? Go away! What?
No.
Stupid Mad Hatter. You ain't no rabbit.
Why did the chicken cross the road? To get to the other side? What? I don't know. You didn't even answer mine. Mine is a slipper. What, guys, what's long and sticky?
The stick?
A stick.
I see what you did there.
The stick?
You mean this thing?
Tree attack. Wrong movie. Lord of the Rings. No, I was thinking Narnia. Well, they do have talking animals in Narnia.
Ah!
Don't take apart the tree.
No. Fuck you.
Take out it. I see
it.
I see it.
Nigga, you don't see shit.
You on my own kind.
This tree is fucking ugly. It needs to die.
Raging Alice. Hey! Don't hit the rabbit! Don't hit the rabbit! Ah! The rabbit hasn't done anything to you. You hit the rabbit. No, out of here. Hey, you're getting my shirt over me.
No, not. You know what? Fuck your jacket. Fuck your shit. Fuck your shit. You can have to stick. You know what, nigga? Fuck you. I'm tired. That was too much running for one day. These are some motherfucking Skechers. Who would have thought?
They look. You making fun of my shoes now?
Yeah, girl, I'm making fun of your shoes. Bitch, did you be pointing that camera at me? I'm gonna start clapping. Oh wait, I already am. Well, I'm tired. Alice is tired. Girl, who the fuck
Alice
is you
needs to
mimicking?
chill. Don't let me snap in a Z for me.
Fuck your couch.
You only did 7.
You know what? Fuck you. Fuck your mama. Fuck your dad. Because they're raping everyone out here. I changed it up. Does it look like I give a fuck?
You want to start again?
Why don't you just stand there for a couple years to wait for me to find a fuck to give?
Oh my god. Alice, run! Not even taking the jacket.
You want to play, Hatter?
Don't throw pine cone. That was a rock! That was a big rock! I stayed away from me. You know pine cones go both ways. It's not a pine cone, that's a rock.
Fuck you.
Strike 1. Strike 2.
Hey.
I got this.
How are you full of shit? At least I'm not mad.
There's nothing.
Bitches with my stick.
You mad?
Why are you hiding behind the rabbit? Huh? Huh?
Why are you hiding behind the
How did I
rabbit?
get in the middle of this?
Yeah, that's right, bitch. Run!